Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to crochet a bikini top with 5mm crochet hook, acrylic yarn and size is small or medium. So this is how it looks, the structure of the bikini top, and I'm going to make use of these two colors, pink and yellow one. So let's get started. So guys, to start with we have to make a slip knot first. So continue to make the slip knot. So here we got the slip knot, and now we have to make a chain of 18. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So continue to make 18 chains. So guys, I have just completed 18 chains, and now from the second last chain from the hook, just insert the hook, grab the yarn, and now you have 2 loops left on the hook. Just grab the yarn through the 2 loops. So again, into the next chain, make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet. So again, into the next chain, make 1 single crochet. So again, into the next chain, make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet. So again, into the next chain, and so on. So guys, continue to make single crochet throughout the chain, leaving the last chain alone. You have to continue to make single crochet, leaving the last chain alone. So guys, you just have to measure from the nipple and the bottom of your breast, the measurement of the chain. So for this small or medium, I have made 18 chains. I made 18 chains. So you just have to measure the height of your breast from the nipple till the bottom of your breast, and make the chains accordingly. So now I'm at the last chain over there. So at the last chain, I'm going to make 5 single crochets. So the first single crochet, the second single crochet, the third single crochet, third single crochet. So guys, now you just have to take the stitch marker and place the stitch marker at the top of the third single crochet, top of the third single crochet. So just like that. And now you have to continue to make 2 more single crochet into the last chain. So the 4th single crochet and the 5th single crochet. So guys, now we have 5 single crochets in the last chain, and now just hide the yarn and make single crochet in the opposite row. So just hide the yarn like that and make single crochet into each and every chain. So the first single crochet and the second single crochet and the third single crochet and the fourth single crochet, fourth single crochet, and so on you just have to make a single crochet on the opposite side. So guys, I have just completed the single crochets on the opposite side, and now what you have to do is chain 1 and turn your work. And now just leave the chain 1 and into the first stitch over there, into the back side of the loop, you have to make one single crochet. So into the next stitch and also into the back side of the loop, you have to make one single crochet. So again, into the next stitch, into the back side of the loop, inside the back side of the loop, make one single crochet. So again, into the next stitch, into the back side of the loop, make one single crochet. So guys, continue to make single crochet into the back side of the loop until you reach the stitch marker. So guys, I have just made a single crochet at the back side of the loops and just reached the stitch marker, and now at the stitch marker, again inside the back side of the loop, you just have to make 3 single crochet. So first single crochet, the second single crochet, and the third single crochet. So place the stitch marker at the second single crochet or the middle one, at the second single crochet. So now continue to make single crochet on top of each and every stitches at the back side of the loop. So just insert the hook at the back side of the loop, grab the yarn and make one single crochet. So again, into the back side of the loop, inside the back side of the loop, make one single crochet. So again, into the next stitch, into the back side of the loop, make one single crochet. Again inside the back side of the loop of the next stitch, make one single crochet, and so on. You just have to make the single crochet at the back side of the loops until you reach the end. So guys, I'm at the end. So now chain 1 and turn your work, and again at the first stitch, go to the back side of the loop, grab the yarn and make one single crochet. So again, into the next stitch, go to the back side of the loop, grab the yarn and make one single crochet. So again, into the next stitch and also into the back side of the loop, grab the yarn and make a single crochet. So guys, this one is a process. You just have to make single crochet at the back side of the loop of each and every stitches, and when you reach the stitch marker, at the stitch marker you have to make 3 single crochets, and at the second single crochet you have to place the stitch marker, and continue to make single crochet at the back side of the loop until you reach the end, and again chain 1, turn your work and continue the same process until you get some certain height according to your breast. So continue guys, I'll meet you after I complete. So guys, I have just made some increases. So 38 by this side and 38 on the other side. And now this is the other side of the cup I have made, and the border looks like this. The border looks like this. So for this, what we have to do is we are going to make the border part. So chain 1 and turn your work. And now into the first stitch, leave the chain 1 and into the first. I'm sorry guys, at one stitch make one daisy, and at another stitch make one slip stitch. So continue guys, you will get a shape like this. You will get a shape like this, and when you reach the stitch marker, you just go with the flow. There is no increase. So guys, there is no increase, just go with the flow. And now I have just removed the stitch marker to show the two stitches separately, the first stitch and the second stitch and third stitch, and it goes on like that, and you just have to continue to make the border with the flow. There is no increase. I hope you guys understand. So just continue to do the border throughout the first cup, one side of the cup. So guys, I have made 2 cups and it looks like this. So now we are going to just join the 2 cups. So for that just take the other side of the cup, the end of the cup over there. Just take the end of the cup over there. Just insert the hook at one corner. Just insert the hook at one corner and grab the yarn and just make a slip stitch, and just make a slip stitch and chain one, and just turn your cup to the wrong side and go to any of the stitch, go inside the any of the stitch. Just grab the yarn and make one slip stitch and make one slip stitch. So guys, just fasten off the yarn, and this is how you have to hide the yarns. And now we have just joined the both the cups, and I'm going to cut it with a pair of scissors. Just cut it with a pair of scissors. So this is how we fasten off the yarns. Just pull the yarn and make it little tight. So after this just fasten off the other side of the yarn the same way, like I showed before. Just go inside any of the stitch, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch, and just cut it with a pair of scissors and make a chain one, and just cut it with a pair of scissors and just pull the yarn just like that and make it little tight. So this is how you fasten off the yarns. So guys, now we have to make the straps at all the four ends. I'm sorry guys, some clips are missing. Please follow the instructions. So guys, I have just completed the straps and this is how it looks. Please, if you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment box guys. I'm so sorry, some clips are really missing. Please follow the instructions on the selected parts. Please do like, share and subscribe my video guys. See you in my next video.